Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Reverse 1999. Let's dive into the core mechanics of this unique turn-based strategy game. You'll learn how to build effective teams, understand the card-based combat system, and efficiently progress your characters. We'll cover everything from basic actions to advanced strategies, ensuring you're well-equipped for your journey through time. Get ready to master the arcane arts. Combat in Reverse 1999 revolves around a dynamic card system. You'll start each turn with a hand of skill cards. To boost their effectiveness, merge two identical cards to upgrade them to a 2-star version, and then two 2-star cards to a 3-star. Every action, including moving or merging cards, generates Moxie. Once a character gathers 5 Moxie points, their devastating ultimate ability becomes available for use. Building a strong team is crucial for success. You'll bring 3 active characters into battle, with a 4th as a substitute ready to jump in. Pay close attention to the 6 afflatus types as they dictate elemental strengths and weaknesses. For instance, Beast is strong against Plant. Exploiting these matchups grants a significant 30% damage bonus. Aim for a balanced composition of damage, healing, and control to overcome diverse challenges. To strengthen your Arcanists, focus on 2 key progression systems, Insight and Resonance. Insight levels enhance base stats and passive skills, with characters having up to 3 tiers. Resonance allows you to fit stat-boosting ideas into a grid, significantly increasing power. Aiming for Resonance 10 on your main damage dealers is highly recommended. Gather clear drops from various in-game activities, like completing story stages or daily missions, to summon new powerful characters.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.